This video is going to look at the blood vessels and their similarities and differences. All blood vessels transport blood through the body. They are characterized by size and the direction in which they carry blood. Here is a drawing of a blood vessel. All blood vessels have three distinct layers. The first layer is the tunica interna, which is the inner layer in the wall of a blood vessel. The tunica interna is in contact with the blood that is being carried by the vessel. The tunica interna is made of simple squamous epithelial tissue and a basement membrane. This layer is also known as endothelium. The second layer is the tunica media, which is the middle layer in the vessel wall. The tunica media is made of smooth muscle, collagen, and elastic fibers. The smooth muscle found here in the wall of the vessel allows for better blood delivery and flow because the vessel can increase or decrease in diameter depending on the need. The third and final layer is the tunica externa, which is the outermost layer in the vessel wall. The tunica externa is made of loose connective tissue which protects the vessel and also helps anchor the vessel in place by attaching to surrounding structures. There are three main types of blood vessels. They are arteries, capillaries, and veins. We will look at each of these in further detail. The first main type of blood vessels are arteries. Their function is to carry blood away from the heart out into the circulatory routes. Arteries are strong. Each time the heart beats, it creates a surge of pressure in the arteries as blood is ejected into them. Arteries are strong because they are built to withstand these pressure surges. There are three types of arteries. The first type are conducting arteries. They are also elastic or large arteries. In fact, they are the largest. Two examples of conducting arteries are the aorta and pulmonary tract. The conducting arteries expand as they receive blood during ventricular systole and recoil during diastole. This expansion stores potential energy and the recoil releases it to keep the blood flowing during diastole. This keeps blood pressure from dropping too low while the heart is relaxing and refilling. The second type of arteries are distributing arteries. They are muscular or medium arteries. These arteries are smaller branches that distribute blood to specific organs. Examples are the brachial, femoral, renal, and splenic arteries. We can think of conducting arteries like an interstate highway and distributing arteries like exit ramps that branch off to state highways which serve specific towns. The third type of arteries are resistance arteries. They are small and also called arterioles. Arterioles are the smallest form of arteries, and they branch from distributing arteries to supply very local regions of the body. The second type of blood vessels are capillaries. They are the smallest blood vessels. They are formed when arterioles branch. Capillaries are found at sites of exchange between the blood and surrounding tissues. They exchange gases, nutrients, and waste products. They consist of only the endothelium and thin basement membrane. Capillaries are found at the halfway points of circulatory routes. They also form beds between arterioles, which carry blood away from the heart, and venules, which start blood on a return journey towards the heart. Capillaries are highly permeable and they exchange substances between blood and surrounding interstitial fluid. When capillaries merge and vessels technically start to carry blood back towards the heart, veins are formed. Veins are the third type of blood vessel. Similarly to arteries, they are also three different types of veins. All of the types of veins all have three layers in their walls. The first type of veins are venules. Venules function in draining blood from the capillary beds and carry the blood back to the heart. The second type of veins are medium veins. Medium veins are formed when venules merge. Medium veins drain larger areas and carry more blood. Many medium veins contain valves, which are special folds of tunica interna. Valves are important because they ensure blood doesn't back up and flow in the wrong direction. The third type of veins are large veins. Large veins are formed when medium veins merge. They are the biggest vessels on the way back to the heart. Two examples of large veins are the anterior vena cava and the pulmonary veins. These are the main blood vessels found in the body, and I hope this video has been helpful.